Hello! To change always on display clock on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into the themes application, and here we have AODs. So let's go into this tab, and right here we have always on display themes available, and to get free themes, because right here we have paid themes and there are also some free themes. So to get the free themes, let's go into the top tab right here, and let's filter out the free themes. As you can see, here are all the free themes available. Some of them are animated, as you can see, and yeah, here we have the preview of this animated always on display. And yeah, but basically if you like some of this always on display, you simply press on this one, press download, and after the download is complete, you can find all the AODs in the menu tab, my stuff, and right here you have to go into the AODs, and here's the default one, and right here is the ERV, and you simply press apply, and we have to turn on always on display first to apply this always on display right here, this theme. So let's quickly go back and let me just enable this always on display right here in the lock screen AOD. Here is the always on display to enable it, and now let's go back into the themes menu, my stuff, AODs, this ERV AOD, and press done. And now we can choose to only clock and image or the image only. Actually, we'll have the clock and image right here. Let's press done. And now as we disable the phone, right here there is our downloaded clock of always on display. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.